everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all your messages from WhatsApp on Android over to your iPhone. So this is very simple to do. Just go from community updates or anything like that, go over to chats on your Android phone, go up to the three dots, click this and go to linked devices. Now you're under this page. You want to go to your iPhone now and set up WhatsApp for the first time. And if you're logged in or something like that, log out. And then once you get to this page where you can type in your phone number, go to the three dots and go to link as companion device. Then you can see this QR code right there. Go to your first phone now, your Android phone, and go to where it says linked devices or link a device. Click this, scan your fingerprint. Then you're going to have to scan this QR code. Once it scans it now, you can see it's going to be logged in. It says iOS on here. So if you ever want to log this out in the future, just come back to this page, click it, and then go to log out, and that will disconnect it. Now all your messages now should be loading on your iPhone. It says stay connected to the internet while your chats load. So that's an easy way to connect your two phones using one WhatsApp account. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.